Today, I'll show you how to create a slices transition in CapCut PC. This effect smoothly splits your video into three sections, making for a dynamic and engaging transition. Let's jump in. First, import your two video clips onto the timeline and place them side by side. Now, head over to the transitions panel and search for three slices. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the effect between your clips. By default, the transition has a set speed, but you can adjust it using the duration slider or by dragging the transition edges on the timeline. A longer duration creates a smoother, slower effect, while a shorter one makes it quick and snappy. And that's it. You've successfully added a slices transition in CapCut PC. Try experimenting with the duration to match your editing style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.